Hello dear traders, you are watching Economic Calendar on ИнстаФорекс TV channel with me, Tahmina Salomova. At the beginning of the next week, the following macroeconomic events will grab traders' attention. On Monday, Germany will unveil one of the key business sentiment indicators for December. Analysts expect the ifo Business Climate Index to climb to 110.6 points. In November, the German ifo Business Climate Index decreased to 110.4 points from 110.5 points in October. Meanwhile, economists had anticipated that the index would remain unchanged. It seems that the German economy has not reacted to Donald Trump's victory in the US presidential election. While German firms were mostly satisfied with the current conditions, expectations for the following 6 months were less optimistic. Sentiment deteriorated in the manufacturing sector due to weak outlook for exports. On Tuesday, the Bank of Japan will announce its interest rate decision for December. The bank is expected to stand pat and keep the rate at the current level of minus 0.10%. The previous Bank of Japan's meeting brought the same results. The decision was in line with analysts' expectations. The central bank introduced negative rates in January 2016. The Bank of Japan said that it would continue to expand the monetary base until the annual inflation, excluding food, reaches the target level of 2% and stabilize above it. The central bank will adjust its policy if necessary, taking into account financial conditions and change of economic activity and prices. On Wednesday, the US will publish the closely monitored indicator of existing home sales for November. Analysts expect that 5.57 million buildings were sold during that month. In October, the existing home sales rose by 2% from the previous month to 5.6 million. The indicator reached the highest level since February 2007. Analysts had predicted that the sales will decrease to 5.44 million. Steady growth in employment, rise in income, as well as improvement of US citizens' welfare contributed to a surge in demand for existing homes. However, lack of available houses limits the choice and leads to high prices. At the same time, further rise in sales can be capped by a lift in mortgage rates ahead of the Fed rate hike. In addition to these events, the following statistics will see the light of day early next week. On Monday, Australia will report on its business confidence. On Tuesday, the Reserve Bank of Australia will unveil its latest monetary policy meeting minutes. On Wednesday, Germany will publish its unemployment data. You have watched the Economic Calendar prepared for you by InstаФорекс TV channel. Good luck!